And Chenraj sir, what I have to tell about him, he's been my mentor all through life. He always tells me, he knows, I'm not kind of who can study 24 hours or 8 hours. I study for an hour or two, but I make sure, I really study, hard. And what is important for me is classroom teaching.
Amazing qualities, mind-blowing thinking. I can say she has got that verve and that vitality. The kind of aura, and within that 5 years what she has transformed herself into an extraordinary leader. I foresee an extraordinary career in this young angel, where she has got that concept of understanding, humanity, compassion, empathetic approach, thinking abilities, horizontal activity. What more qualities I have to speak about this young girl? I am sure she is going to be one of the proudest Indian to ever happen, and she has miles and miles to go, and she will go places.
She taught me how to value values, which was very important in one's life. Yes, our director ma'am, Professor Shantamani. Thank you ma'am.
And I have seen her grow from a youngish girl to a very mature person with versatile talents, and she has made all our dreams true. So that is Rekha for me, a golden girl in the true sense of the word. And I'm sure
she is excellent not only in her studies but also in the co-curricular and extracurricular activities. She has organized almost all our college functions, festivals in a very grand scale, and thus she has set up a model to all the other students. It is normally said that rich children are spoiled children because of the richness, but here we have an example that it is a wrong saying.
My vice principal BT Venkatesh, I think he has been an amazing teacher. He is.
When we started Samanvaya, she was made the in charge, president of Samanvaya. It's an intercollegiate festival. She organized everything.
Great events do not just happen. They are the creation of the hearts, minds and passion, of dedication, faith and stubborn devotion to quality. And Samanvaya 2002, the All India Commerce Extravaganza, is one such event.
Rekha, who's been hospitable as hell in allowing so many people to stay in her house, not to mention her being head organizer of this whole thing. This wouldn't be possible without Rekha. A big hand for her, please.
So later on, she accompanied for international trip also. Hey, she came back and only 1.5 months or 2 months, she was able to devote entire potential to the maximum efforts and taken a rank. It's a really great achievement.
बेंगलोर के जो बेस्ट माने जा रहे हैं, लाइक MCC, MES, Christ, we have spent almost 3/4 a day. Then second half we have reached to Sri Bhagwan Mahavir Jain College. वहाँ पे जैसे ही इसको हम लेके गए अंदर, तो प्रिंसिपल शांतामणि वहाँ पे ऑफिस में हमें उनसे मिलना हुआ। आपको दूसरा कोई सोचने का ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आप तो फर्स्ट तो आप हमारे पड़ोसी हैं, सेकेंडरी आप जिस तरह से आपकी बेटी ने उपलब्धियां पाई है, इसके लिए तो आपको प्राउड होना चाहिए कि आपके जैन कॉलेज में ही क्यों नहीं आप इसके ऊपर विचार करके आप इस कॉलेज के अंदर इसको ज़रूर एडमिशन दिलाना चाहिए।
it was me who learnt it. And when my mom used to teach, my cousin, I would sit with her and learn whole of his subjects.
बस स्कूल का हर काम, जो भी एक काम पकड़ती थी उसको पूरा करके उसको एक हर जगह वो उसका इनाम लेके आना, वो ना, तब हम अपने खुश होते, बहुत खुश होते हैं। तब आपको पता चलता है कि किस लिए अपने साथ नहीं आते थे, हम उसको कोऑर्डिनेट करना पड़ता था। कहीं शादी में जाओ, उसकी छुट्टी देख के जाओ, या उसके लिए पीछे एक जना रुक के उसको एरोप्लेन में या उसको अलग स्पेशल ट्रेन में या कार में बंदोबस्त करते थे आने के लिए।
It's not just in studies. We had these SUPW classes where out of waste we would really create, nice pieces, show pieces and all that. Till date she's been doing that. In our college when we have this cultural week where we have all blue day or colorful day or twins day or whatever, she would stitch dresses for me.
रक्तधन खान, गोधन खचदन बाजीदन और रक्तधन खान, जब आवे संतोष धन, जब आवे संतोष धन, सब धन धुरी समान।
I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through.
She used to excel in both. Whether I send her to an inter-college competition, she used to win. In classes, she used to get the highest. And when they had asked me at the end of the year, give me 3 choices for the best student in the college, I told all the 3 choices are Rekha, Rekha and only Rekha.
जो भी चाहो वो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीते जाओ, चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है।
And passing out with very good scores and rank in Bangalore University does not speak of my hard work. Yes, it does not speak of my hard work. It more so speaks of the hard work put in by teachers to teach me. It does not speak of my dedication. It speaks of the dedication that teachers have to teach the students. It does not speak of my determination. It speaks of the determination of the teachers to give the best to the students. It does not speak of my sincerity. It speaks of the sincerity that teachers have towards their profession. It does not speak of my commitment. It speaks of the teachers' commitment towards students.
रेखा नाहर, उसे मैंने जब पढ़ाया और जब पढ़ाती थी क्लास में, तब मुझे हमेशा ये एहसास होता था कि यह कोई अद्वितीय प्रतिभा वाली लड़की है और उसने ये साबित कर दिखाया। अद्वितीय ही है रेखा, और मैं कितना कुछ भी कहूँ, साथ में वो एक अच्छी सहेली के रूप में भी मेरे साथ रही। हर प्रकार की बात चर्चा मैं उसके साथ करती रही, वो भी करती रही। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि वह किताबी कीड़ा है, वास्तव में पढ़ाई के साथ मजाक, हंसी, सब कुछ करने में वह अद्वितीय थी। सच ईश्वर ऐसे ऐसे प्रतिभाशाली लड़कियों को ही आगे बढ़ाए और मेरा आशीर्वाद उनके साथ है। धन्यवाद।
Rekha Nahar is, in the true sense, the Savyasachi or the best all-rounder I have ever seen in my career as a teacher.
Instead of calling Rekha as my student, I would say that I take pride in being a teacher to Rekha.
Thank you one and all. I would conclude by saying that I was, I will and I am always proud of the fact that I belong to this wonderful family called Shri Bhagwan Mahavir Jain College. Thank you one and all.
Ladies and gentlemen, a son is a son till he gets himself a wife. But a daughter is a daughter all her life.
पापा की परी हूँ मैं,
some, it marks the end of formal education and beginning of the working life. To others, it is a stepping stone to pursue higher studies. I wish all success to both in your chosen paths.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये ऐसी फूल सी कोमल सी बिटिया देके भगवान ने मेरे ऊपर बहुत एहसान किया और मैं इतनी खुशी हो रही हूँ और इसके पीछे जितने भी लोग इसको मोटिवेट किया या कुछ किया उनको सब मैं आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। नमस्ते।